Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video, we are going to see how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for herbal products business. I have a herbal products business and to market my business, I use Facebook lead ads. And here my objective is that whenever I receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, I want to add all the lead details into my Google Sheets. For that, I'm simply going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and Google Sheets in such a way so that whenever I generate a new lead through Facebook lead ads, it would be automatically added into my Google Sheets. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my action application is Google Sheets. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. Today in this video, I am going to tell you how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets automatically. So I have a herbal product business and to market my business, I use this Facebook lead ad page. And my objective is that whenever I generate a new lead through Facebook lead ads, I want to add all the lead details into my Google Sheet. Now to begin with the process, we are first going to search for Pabbly. And as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply sign in, and if you are a new user, then please click on the tab sign up free, and it won't take more than 2 minutes, and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. And as we do that, here we have reached all application page. Now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And as I do that, here we have reached the dashboard of this application. And if you want to create a new folder, please click on this icon, create a new folder. And as you can see, a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. I'm going to name my folder as Facebook Leads to Google Sheets. Now click on create. As you can see over here that we have successfully created a folder named as Facebook Leads to Google Sheet. And again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as Create Workflow. Let's click on this. And a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. I'm going to name my workflow as Facebook Leads to Google Sheets for Herbal Products Business. And if you will click on this drop down, you can see your folders. I've selected this folder named Facebook Leads to Google Sheets. Now click on create. So as I do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and another one is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of your trigger application. Now, our trigger application would be Facebook lead ads. Click on Facebook lead ads. And now we have to select a trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Click on this drop down and as you can see two options over here, new lead instant and new lead. I'm simply going to select new lead instant as my objective is to add a new lead instantly to my Google Sheet. It says triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead gen form associated to your Facebook page. Select this. Now click on connect. And to connect our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Now click on connect with Facebook lead ads and select your Facebook account. As you can see, we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect. Now we need to select our page name. Please select a page name. If you don't see your page listed, access your account setting to confirm that the connected account has the correct manage page permissions and then reconnect your account. So I'm going to select my page name and my page name is Ayush Herbal Store. Now we need to select the lead gen form. Select the lead gen form here. Please ensure that your lead ads form is live, else you might not receive the lead data correctly. This is the lead gen form which I use to generate my leads. By clicking on this drop down, you can find your lead gen forms. I have named my lead gen form as Herbal Product Brochure form. After selecting the lead gen form, as you can see, here is an important note over here. Please note that after clicking the Save and Send As button, You will need to generate sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking on the preview form button and fill out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission, which means after clicking on the save and send test button, we need to generate a sample submission or a test submission. So now let's click on save and send test request. After that, you can see waiting for webhook responses. Now after this, we need to do a test submission or a sample submission. For that, we are going to search for Meta for developers. And after searching for Meta for developers, you need to click on the first link over here, or you can directly search for developers.facebook.com. I'm going to click on this. And this is the Meta for developer page. Now click on more and go to tools. Now scroll it down and you will find lead ads RTU debug tool. Make sure your API or CRM integration is set up correctly and receiving data. Now click on this. This is the lead ads testing tool. Use this tool to test your API or CRM integration. You can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly, which means we need to do a test submission just to check whether our API or CRM integration is successfully connected or not. Now select your page and the form as well. Now before previewing form, let's read this. You can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So in order to create a new one, we need to delete our old lead or an existing lead. So I'm simply going to click on this delete lead. Now as you can see, it says your lead has been deleted. Now I'm simply going to refresh the page and then select your page and form name again. Now click on preview form. Now this is the Herbal product brochure form which I use to generate leads. Now let's do a test submission by filling all the details. I've entered all the details to do a test submission. Now let's click on next and submit. We have successfully submitted our test submission. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether we have received the response or not. Now as you can see, we have successfully received the response. This is the email address, the full name and the phone number, which means we have successfully connected our trigger application with Pabbly Connect. Now my action application will be Google Sheets. Let's click on Google Sheets. And now we have to select the action event. Click on this drop down and as you can see, there are various action events, but I am simply going to select add new row as I want to add a new row in my Google Sheets whenever a new lead is generated. Now click on connect, and again to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm going to select add new connection, and if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Then click on sign in with Google and choose your account and allow all the authentications. And we have successfully connected our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. Now we need to select spreadsheet. You can choose or map your spreadsheet ID here. Click on this drop down and select your spreadsheet name. I've named my spreadsheet as Herbal Product Leads Record. So I have selected the spreadsheet, and because I have the single sheet only, so it will be selected automatically. So I have selected the spreadsheet, and because I have the single sheet only, so it will be selected automatically. And as soon as the sheets will be selected, here whatever the columns I have created, the same columns will be fetched and will be visible as fields. As you can see, email, full name, phone number, and I have created the same columns in my Google Sheets, email, full name and phone number. Now we need to enter, or we can map all the details. I'm simply going to map it, and whatever the details we are mapping will get replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Also, mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in real time. Let's map all the details. Click on Facebook lead ads and choose email address as well as the full name and the phone number. Now click on save and send test request. Now let's go back to our Google Sheets and check whether we have added a new row with all the details of the leads or not. As you can see over here, we have added a new row in our Google Sheets with all the exact details which we have submitted as a test submission. The email address, full name and the phone number, which means we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads with Google Sheets. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. Now as you can see, it was a successful workflow and our trigger application and the action application is set up and connected successfully. So let's summarize this quickly. Here, the trigger application is Facebook lead ads and the trigger event is new lead instant. Here, action application is Google Sheets and the action event is add new row. And if you also want to add all the lead details which you are generating through Facebook lead ads into your Google Sheets, then simply follow this two-step workflow. Hope this video was the helpful one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can also integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any queries, please reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, please reach out to us at this website. If you find this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to share this video with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.